In the last video on division, I shared with you some strategies and processes to divide numbers when they divide easily. In this video, I'll share with you how to adjust those numbers when they don't divide so easily. When we are dividing, the numbers don't always divide or share so easily, and we need to do some adjusting in our working out. Let me show you this example. 748 divided by 2. Because we're dividing by 2, we need to use our 2 times tables. The first number we are looking at is the 7. That's because it's in the hundreds place, and that's the largest place in our number. We start with that largest place because as we adjust, we can then move our numbers down into the tens and into the ones. Now 7 divided by 2 is not going to divide so easily because 7 is not one of the answers in our 2 times tables. So checking those answers, we're looking for an answer just less than 7. So in our 2 times tables, that answer is 6. We are going to adjust our 7 to a 6. Then we need to look for the difference between 7 and 6, which is 1, and place that 1 into the next column, our tens column. Now we have a 6 in our hundreds column, 14 in our tens column, and 8 in our ones column. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we can put that 3 in the answer section up the top. Now we'll move into our tens column. 14 divided by 2. Our answer to that is 7. And now in our ones column, we have 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. So the answer to our question, 748 divided by 2 is 374. Here's another example. 985 divided by 5. Because we're dividing by 5, we need our 5 times tables. Firstly, we're going to start with the hundreds column, which has a 9 in it. Now looking down the answers to our 5 times tables, we're looking for 9 or the number just below. We need to adjust this number down to a 5. So we change our 9 to a 5, find the difference between 9 and 5, which is 4, and put that 4 to the next column over, showing we've now got 5 hundreds and 48 tens. Back to our hundreds column. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So that 1 goes up in our answer section. Now we can focus on our tens column. 48 tens. We're looking for 48 or the number just lower in the answers to our 5 times tables. So we can see that number we need is 45. Adjust that 48 to a 45, find the difference, which is 3, and move the 3 over into the ones column. So now we have 35 ones. Back to our tens column. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. So we put that 9 in the answer section, and then we can finish off in the ones with 35 divided by 5, which equals 7. So the answer to our question, 985 divided by 5, equals 197. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to Maths with Mrs Freeman for more tips and videos.